Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these headphones. So let's start. So to hard reset these headphones, first of all you have to press and hold this action button on the left ear cup, and you also have to slide this Bluetooth button to this Bluetooth sign, and you have to do it together for 30 seconds. Okay, so I will press this action button and then I will also slide this Bluetooth button together for 30 seconds, and then after 30 seconds you will see this LED light will blink amber. Okay, so we just have to wait for 30 seconds. So here you can see the light blink amber, and then it will turn off and then it will turn on again. Now you can leave both buttons, and now you try to connect it with your device. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings. Okay, and then here you can see it is showing Bose QC45 in available devices. I will select it and then it will start making the connection, and then it will ask you for pairing. So here it will ask for pairing request. I will select this pair option, and now you can see Bose QC45 are now connected with my device. If you want to allow access to contacts, you can select this allow option, but I will select this deny option. So now you can see Bose QC45 are now connected and ready to use. Now I will show you how to connect these headphones with Bose Music App. So I will open the Bose Music App, then I will select connect a product and then select headphones and frames, and then if you want to create Bose account you can select get started, but I don't want to create any account, so I will select this skip option. Okay, and then you have to agree on terms of use and privacy policy. So I will select both of these options and then I select I agree. And then if you want to allow notifications, you can go to device settings, but I select no thanks. Okay, and then it will start searching for nearby devices. Here it is showing Bose QC45, and it is also giving you the connect option. Before selecting this connect option, just slide this Bluetooth button and just hold it to this Bluetooth sign for 3 seconds. So I will just hold it for 3 seconds like this, and then you can leave this button in the middle. Now you select this connect option, and then it will start making the connection. You just have to wait for few seconds. Okay, and here you can see it is asking for pairing. I will select this pair option. Okay, and then here you have to give it a name. I will select Bose QC45 and then I will select save, and then you just have to wait, and then it will show you the option of all set. So select this all set option and then select get started. So you can see Bose QC45 are now connected with my app. You can open it from here and then you can use all the features and functions. So this is how you can hard reset Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. So guys, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.